although you see the cost of funding in panda bond recent years, it's relatively cheaper than other currencies, but actually we're tapping to this market over like 10 years. NDB is a multilateral development bank. So our mandate is to mobilizing resource for infrastructure and sustainable projects in our member countries and developing countries. So with this mandate, one of our core strategy is to providing the local currency financing to our borrowers. So we see the renminbi denominated asset like borrowing requests from our borrowers from day one. That is why we enter into the panda bond market in 2016. So at that time, the panda bond guideline haven't been updated. So we proactively engage with the regulator to understand their policy development and what's their view to the panda bond market. And we also engage with the very high quality counterparties like ICBC to understand the market sentiment. And also we continually to meet investors. So today we have built up a full curve, a yield curve in panda bond market, 3, 5, and 10 years. And to attract more investors to look at our panda bonds, we also, as you mentioned, we also use the local ratings. Although we have international ratings, but now we're also using the domestic ratings to attract the local investors. But having said that, the interesting thing was in one of my roadshow in London was London-based asset managers. Like we were talking about the dollar fundings, but then he asked me a question like, I see you are issuing renminbi bond in China. How can I invest? So then I introduced some counterparties to him and to tell him on the Bond Connect, CIBM Direct. So in this, that I see a lot of foreign investors actually are looking at this market very closely. So actually from like over past 10 years, we already issued around renminbi 87.5 billion in total, with total outstanding of 57.5 billion. So if you ask me my recommendation to the potential issuers, probably need to be prepared to do a lot of paperwork to suitable for the local regulations on the documentation, not only in English, but also in Chinese. So hire a good legal counsel. That's very important.